Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Jai! Sana all. Guys, okay? Atong video ng mga gwapa dito sa squad. Ay! Uy, akong uyuan.
Ano naman, mapas mo. Dataas mo mag-linya.
Berapa pa? Kurang bisa berdiskusi.
Ay, sorry.
Iya, akong pinakagwapo nga. Me. Naipansit me. Uy, baby koy. Hala.
Okay.
Ludo, mo
I'll
sa
give an
ludo.
kiss to my mom. Hi, Mom. Ever since I was a kid, here, I have a quick message for you. I just want to say thank you for being there with me in the days I was down, the days I was weak, the days where I needed somebody the most. There is nothing in this world that can have the same value of the love that you gave me, Mom. I am the person that I am now with a heart and kindness because you showed me that the world is better when kindness is spread around like a confetti. I couldn't ever see you weak because you have always been such a strong woman in my eyes, ever since I was a kid. So, a big thank you for showing me how colorful the world could be by giving love and giving kindness to everywhere you go. I love you, Ma, and thank you for showing us how a strong woman you could be and anyone could be. Thank you.
Sana man na. Happy birthday! Kanta ta balik. Kanta lang balik happy birthday kay para mag-closing prayer na ta. Mag-closing prayer na ta.
To my mom before we close the night, thank you. Everybody stand up.
Happy ma... Kayam po sa closing. Closing na lang yung tingin. Tulog ka dito ang bagyo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Makanta pa din! Birthday pa, birthday pa.
Happy birthday
Kamu tanan din.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Take
Happy
pictures,
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, pictorial time. You
Wait,
guys want to
sir.
take a picture?
Wait.
In the front. Yeah.
Kanang final message day ni Ate Lita para sa karong gagabi for the finale. Charot.
Naga na sa ningin. Ano sa final message?
Diana mo ba picture ta?
Ikay picture.
Salamat yun. Di pa yung kayo maning nga rin nakita na ko ang inyong presensya din. Salamat tayo. Kitang tanan. Thank you. God bless.
Tama na.
Sana sa atong pag-uli, ili kayo sa mga katalagman.
Si Papa ni Seth, si Papa.
Salamat kayo sa tanan nga ni Adinhe nya di tubag sa among mga imbitasyon sa inyo. Utang kabubuto na namo diha ninyo sa among kasing-kasing. Bisag asa man ta mapunta, among pasalamat sa tibok namong pamilya. Akong mga anak, aniya sila karon nagakayo sa okay ni may pinaka-successful nako nga handog. Bisan pa sa mga conflict sa among kinabuhi, apan anaa gihapon sila ingon nga akong pamilya. So tungod sa birthday sa ilang inahan, aniya sila nagakayo sa gihapon. So salamat sa Ginoo, salamat ninyong tanan.
Sige. Kanina tan isang pictorial na yun siya. Sige, dito mo. Dito ka tilita, lingkod mo din. As family tanan. Ito na.
Isa ba yung picture?
Sila.
Yours. Yours.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, smile. Heart sign. Heart sign. 1, 2, 3, smile. One team.
Waki.